In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to install an app in ERPNext. Whether you're adding a feature-packed extension or your own custom creation, ERPNext makes the installation process straightforward. Let's dive right in. First, you'll need to log in to Frappe Cloud. You can do this by opening your web browser and heading over to frappecloud.com. Once there, you'll want to sign in with your email address. Be sure to have your credentials handy to avoid any hiccups during the login process. Once you've successfully logged in, navigate to the sidebar on the left side of the page and click on Sites. This will open up a list of your available sites. Take a moment to locate and click on your specific site. It will likely appear as your username.erpnext.com or something similar. This step is crucial because you'll be managing and installing apps directly to this site, so make sure you're on the correct one. Now that you're looking at your site-specific dashboard, direct your attention to the top menu. There you'll find a tab labeled Apps. Click on it, and this will take you to the area where all your app management occurs. This tab is where you can view all installed apps and also where you'll be adding new ones. In the top right corner of the Apps page, you'll notice a button that says Plus Install App. Go ahead and click it. This button is your gateway to expanding your site's functionality with new applications. After clicking the Install button, you'll be prompted to choose the specific app you wish to install. You'll be presented with a list of available options, such as HRMS or payments, among others. Additionally, if you have developed any custom apps, you'll see them here too. Selecting the right app here is essential, so take a moment to confirm your choice. Then, select the branch you wish to use. For most users, this will be version 15 if you're using ERPNext version 15. This ensures that your app is compatible with your current ERPNext version, allowing it to integrate seamlessly without any issues. Finally, you'll want to confirm your choices by clicking the Install button. Once you do, the installation process kicks off, and within a few seconds to a minute, the app will be fully installed on your site. During this time, avoid navigating away from the page to ensure everything installs correctly. That's it. You've successfully installed an app on your ERPNext site. Feel free to explore the new features or functionalities that come with your new app. Remember, the tools you choose can significantly enhance your workflow, so choose what aligns best with your needs. Thanks for following along, and happy customizing.